colours here. Do you know what colours they are? What colours are they? Red, green, yellow, and blue. Now we're going to learn them in Samoan. Do you know colours in Samoan?
No.
So here we have lanu mumu. Can we say that?
Nano Mumu,
Here we have lanu mea mata,
Nano Mata,
lanu sama,
Nano Sama,
and lanu moana.
Nano Moana.
Okay, so I have all of these plates here, and I need to find which ones are lanu mumu. Do you remember which one lanu mumu is?
Red.
Red. So can one of you come and help me with the red lanu mumu? Can you come take it on? Anyone else got a lanu mumu? What about a lanu moana? Lanu moana. How about lanu sama? You can guess what the last one is. Mea mata. Very nice. Thank you so much, guys. And so on our tables you saw our, what is this? Rainbow, our nuanua. And we're going to colour it in Samoan. So the first one here is lanu mea mata. Lanu mea mata. What colour was that one again? Green. Lanu moana. Blue. Violet. We didn't do that one, but that's purple. Violet. Sama. Lanu mumu. And lanu moli is orange. So we have the colouring on the tables. So if you can go colour them in the Samoan colours, that would be awesome, and then we can take photos. Yeah? Thank you so much for helping me.